Let's get started on this recipe. I have a Smithfield hardwood smoked ham steak and it weighs 1 pound and 45 ounces. And by the way, this is gluten-free. This is a good old-fashioned country ham steak with the bone in, and it is cured with salt. So it's very salty. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and rinse as much salt off of that as you can. And I like to let mine soak for a couple of hours. And if you don't do this, it will be very salty. I'm allergic to pork, but my husband is not, and sometimes I really like to treat him to something different because he tends to eat like I do. After that ham soaked for a couple of hours, I got my large cast iron skillet out, and we're just going to pan fry this. Put a couple of pats of butter in that cast iron skillet and turn your stovetop eye or your burner onto medium. Once that butter starts melting, we are just going to drop that ham right into that cast iron skillet. This is so easy, y'all. Now you could eat this ham as is, but all I'm doing is browning it on each side in this butter. Just like that. After about 5 minutes on each side, maybe 5 to 10 on each side, it's done. And after your ham's done, you can scrape what we call the goodies in the bottom of the skillet, and you can make a gravy. Older people used to do this and eat this all the time when I was growing up, and this is called red eye gravy. It's so simple. You just pour about a cup and a half of coffee in this. Just bring it to a boil. It only takes a few minutes, and voila, it's done. And this is what we call red eye gravy. Now, I never liked it, but there were some older people that really liked this, so you might want to give that a try. And if you don't like red eye gravy, you can always make milk gravy.